everybody, it's Howie from Shoreline Harley-Davidson in beautiful West Long Branch, New Jersey. Just got this baby off the truck. This is a Billiard Teal Road Glide Special with the black finish. Gorgeous looking bike. It's got the 114 Milwaukee 8 in it with the heavy breather. That's how it comes. Got the center dash on it. With the black trim package with the black front end. And you also get the stretch bags with it. Get the painted interfering. Lots of goodies on this bike. It also comes with FLTRXS on it, which is traction control, which is awesome stuff that they came out with from Harley-Davidson. If you have any questions about the FLTRXS or you want to come check out this bike, come down to Shoreline Harley-Davidson. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.